The data can be stored in many different systems, such as file system, object stores, relational databases system, key value stores, search indexes, event logs, message queues, and so on. Each class or system has been designed for special access patterns and excels and serving a certain purpose. Consequently, today's data infrastructures often consisting of many different storage systems. Before adding a new component into the mix, a logical question to ask should be, how well does it work with the other components in my stacks? Adding a data process system, such as Apache Flink, requires carefully consideration because it does not include its own storage layer, but relies on an external storage system to ingest and process the data. Hence, it is important for data processors like Flink to provide a well-equipped library of connectors to read data from and write data to external system, as well as an API to implement customer um, connectors. Okay, from now on, we will bring several lectures to show you how to build different source connectors for ingesting data to Flink for further processing. A few basic data sources and sinks are built into Flink and are always available. And the predefined data sources include reading from the files, directories, and sockets, and ingesting data from collections and iterators. The predefined data sinks support writing to files, to stand output and stand errors, and to sockets. Okay, this website lists comes of the third-party system connectors. One of them we will introduce as future lectures. Okay, as I mentioned at the beginning of these lectures, I will show you how to use the integrate, how to use and integrate the below source connectors. Okay, first, from the collections, read data into the Flink for testing purpose, and the data generator source, a socket source, and the local file source, and HDFS file source, Apache Kafka topic source, and finally, I will show you how to customize the source connector by yourself. All right, see you next lecture.